In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Google Calendar into your n8n workflows, making your task management smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have your workflow open in n8n. If you're starting from scratch, just create a new workflow to begin or open an existing one where you want to integrate Google Calendar. This will be the foundation where we will add functionalities related to your calendar. Now with your workflow open, you're going to add a new node. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the option to Add Node. Click on that button. This is how we'll bring in the Google Calendar functionality. Once you've clicked to add a node, you'll see a search bar at the top of the node selection menu. Here, type Google Calendar to filter the available options. You should see the Google Calendar node appear in the list below. Click it to add it to your workflow. Adding the Google Calendar node opens up a whole world of automation possibilities. This node can perform various operations to help manage your calendar events directly from n8n. Here's a rundown of what you can do with it. Firstly, you can create events. Whether you're scheduling meetings, appointments, or reminders, the node allows you to set all these up without needing to leave n8n. It provides parameters for time, date, event descriptions, and more, which you can specify as per your requirement. Next, you can get event details. This is particularly useful if you want to fetch information about a specific event, perhaps to integrate into another part of your workflow or just to check existing schedules. Simply input the necessary identifiers within the node's configuration. Furthermore, the node includes an option to get many events. This means you can retrieve a list of events, which is handy if you're reviewing your schedule or analyzing events within a specific time frame. It gives you a comprehensive view of what's happening over a period. If event details change or errors need correction, updating events is another operation the node supports. You can modify any existing events details right from n8n, ensuring your calendar is always up to date. For events that need to be removed, there's a delete event function. This allows you to seamlessly remove events from your calendar without any manual intervention through Google Calendar's interface. Lastly, it includes a check availability function. This is incredibly useful for scheduling, as it helps ensure that you're not double booking and that your intended time slots are open. That's it. You've now integrated Google Calendar with n8n, unlocking automation possibilities to streamline your event management and enhance your productivity. Explore these functionalities and tailor the settings to fit your unique workflow needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.